we decided to have some fun and handcuff ourselves.
24-hour challenge.
We're gonna try and stay handcuffed together for 24 hours. We're not gonna like lay in bed all day and do nothing. We're gonna like try and live like a normal life.
Nice. Show him the little setup you got. We've got 2 cameras, so we can do my experience and his experience.
Yep. You know, and we can record it with this one and record it with the GoPro here.
And with my GoPro, I can see everything on my phone. So we're at the beach, so we're not just at a boring place. See? Beach. Super fun.
Just so what time is it? Check it. So we know what time to take it off today. Tomorrow. 12:45 tomorrow.
We can take it off.
We'll be taking the handcuffs off. But until then.
It's not something we just made up.
No, this is like a thing. I saw it on BuzzFeed. Shout out BuzzFeed. You know. Okay.
All right, here we go.
Let's get this day started. Mini golfing. We've been getting weird looks from people. Brittany's beating me, so that's just not good to begin with. My wrist hurts already. We've only got another 23 hours to go.
We just did mini golf. That sucked. We ended early.
This is really hard anyways. So yeah, we just skipped the last 3 holes.
We've still got like 23 hours and I already want to quit.
Not going ideally so far.
It's fine. It's fine. It's a great time.
But
it's a great time.
We're gonna make it.
We're gonna do it.
We got it.
So we're at the food line now.
Almost there? Not really.
Still going.
What is it? How many hours left?
It's 7:15. I've learned how to rotate my hand in the cup though, so it's made things easier. It's okay.
Alright.
What time is it? 10:47. 2 more hours. So here is us answering everybody's questions of how do you get in and out of the car? Well, you climb. There's a little video on that. You can do what Jake does and say roll the clip.
Roll the clip.
Roll the clip.
Roll the clip.
Okay. And then, what's the other ones? How do we use the bathroom?
And we separated for that.
Yeah. We love each other, but not that much.
Too far.
No. It's not that worth it. And then, like we said, to change or to take off our jackets are the only times we try to not like to take them off.
So you're gonna kill time and try and not do anything productive until these handcuffs come off. Okay.
Okay. That's it.
We're done.
We did it!
Thank God. We did absolutely nothing today.
No.
Well, go ahead, babe.
You got the key?
No.
I don't have the key.
Where'd you do with the keys? Where's the keys?
Alright, bye guys.